What's it telling us? Smooth passage like a ship on the seas. The thing with Ishan Kishan playing spin is his first thought is to play the attacking shot.
Well, that's a good thought. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. That's what you're there for. You're there to score runs, and the way to score runs is to attack, but you've still got to have a balance. You can't be reckless. But I get the feeling he wants to go after him in this over.
Tell you what I liked about that innings against Pakistan when him and KL Rahul put on that partnership. He got 81, but he got those of 82 balls. Came in at a very difficult situation, batted at 5, but still scored a run a ball. But he showed a lot of composure. Wasn't just hitting every ball. That's his style when he plays the T20 format, when he goes out to open the batting. And I thought he grew as a batter in the course of that innings.
It doesn't matter who you are. You can't just have one gear. You've got to go up and down according to the game situation. There's going to be times when you can't hit boundaries. You need to just survive or find the gap, especially in 50-over cricket.
Also, as a batter, sometimes do you have clarity of thought when you have the security of your spot in the team? Sometimes batters tend to be a little more diffident when they don't know whether they're going to be playing the next game, but having been part of the or picked in the World Cup squad, you know you're going to be playing. This is the role you have, and then there's a lot more assuredness in the way you play. Just get the feeling that is what it is with Ishan Kishan. A bit of a misfield allows them the second run. 184 for 3.
India Cricket's new home, Jio Cinema and Sports 18. First guests in the new home, Australia. Let's be the gracious hosts. Tradition teaches us to be. IDFC First Bank, India versus Australia ODI series. Second ODI, Sunday, September 24th, 12:30 p.m. Live on Jio Cinema and Sports 18.
Get blown away. MotoGP is now in India. Book your tickets on Book My Show now.
Don't just watch Indian Super League. Play along and win exciting prizes with the Cheeto Dhan contest on Jio Cinema. Just follow these instructions. Rotate your phone to portrait mode, answer simple questions, and stand a chance to win prizes with the Cheeto Dhan contest only on Jio Cinema.
Yamaha